Welcome to my new tutorial. I'll show you how to sew this pretty storage basket. It's also great for traveling. I made these storage baskets in 3 different sizes. All the measurements are in the description. You'll need the outside fabric and some batting. I'm using felt, and this is the fabric for the inside. Place the outside fabric on the batting. I've made a straight line here, which I follow when I'm quilting. The distance between the lines should be always the same. Gently straighten the fabric while you're sewing. And then go across. When you are done with both pieces, place them good size on top of each other. Sew on the sides and the bottom. Same for the inside fabric. Now you'll want to square them. Feel with your fingers that the seams are aligned. The length of the bottom is 11 inches, so you mark half of it, which is 5.5 inches. Cut off with pinking scissors and repeat on the other side. Now do the same for the lining fabric. Insert the lining fabric into the basket. It should go wrong sides together. Then align and clip. Sew with 1/4 inch seam allowance. This is the white cotton fabric for the drawstring top. Mark 1 inch and 1.5 inch from the top on one side. Sew it together, but leave out that 1/2 inch. Now open the seam. You can just crease it with your nail. Sew a little rectangle around the hole. Now sew the other side fully. Cut with pinking scissors or zigzag stitch. Fold and sew. Make sure there is enough space for the string to go inside. Now good size together, slide it over the basket. And clip together. Sew with 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now trim the top with pinking scissors or zigzag stitch. I have done it separately earlier. Fold inside and clip all around. Sew inside the seam or as close as possible. Now get your string ready. I'm using macrame cord. The link is in description. I also hand stitch a label on the basket. It's basically just a piece of a ribbon. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!